Mike Wilson, I just got a note from Credit Suisse, and it's from John Golub, a peer of yours, and he says, the great factor unwind, the sequel. Are we about to see the sequel?
Well, I think it's been unwinding for a couple of years. We go back to 2016 as the beginning of global reflation. We stand firm by the view. That's why we think we're still in a secular bull market, okay? But this is a retest of that because we're going through a global recession risk and a U.S. economic recession risk, which is elevated, okay? So we made a double bottom potentially again in 10-year Treasury yields. I mean, some of the yields around the world have made new lows. Banks are retesting those lows. We think ultimately this is exactly what you need. You need more pressure from the economy to get politicians to actually pull that lever, which seems so obvious. Like, why are you not doing this? We have the solution. It's not like Europe doesn't have fiscal capacity. They have tremendous fiscal, much more than we do. China may be out, okay, but India has it, Brazil has it. I mean, there are many parts around the world, and they just need more pressure. And I would argue that a global recession, U.S. recession in particular, is exactly what the doctor ordered to get that political pressure to be used. And we're moving in that direction. And I'm optimistic, actually, over the next 12 to 18 months, that we're going to get that sequel. I think it's a little premature. You get a kickoff move. We're going to have some retesting back and forth. But let's not lose sight of the big picture, which is that reflation, global inflation, is probably bottom for years, decades.